So this may set up now. Battery is 11.18. So let me start the machine. Okay, this is my power source. It's charging 13.4. So my power, you have to tune it up. It's the ampere ratings. Current almost less than an hour. See the battery now. 13.5. Yep. There's no load yet. Still charging. 35-36 volts. 13. 13. This one, 6 years old battery. Lead acid. They are both old batteries. Just to run this machine, if it's okay for this kind of battery. So I will run this with 13 amp hour 12 volts battery. Now I am in the old one using this. See, the machine is running good. It's a port type, so you have to tune up. Alright, thank you. I build a new housing for the flywheel. Very simple machine. So you can use solar panel or on grid, off grid. Thanks guys.